plays the Sons of the Forest. Definitely hard. I was just wondering if there was even harder.
I
just set
don't
it to
think we
3
have to play
players.
this game on mixed difficulty straight away, to be honest. The first one was so good even at normal difficulty.
I'm putting on max difficulty.
Plus, remember, the only reason we stood a chance at all on normal difficulty was because we had the island.
We're still on hard mode.
Here we go.
Let's do this.
We're so fucked. Did you actually put it on max, or like somewhere in the middle?
Yeah, I just put on hard mode.
So from max difficulty, we have to like, we really need a shelter.
Oh, that's looking
Assuming
so
it's
good,
gonna be
dude.
like the first. It's pretty sharp. And that loading screen, it's great already.
Yeah, I mean, the loading screen is losing frames.
It looks like it's filling up with blood, but from the wrong way you expect blood to fill.
Yeah, our loading screen is different to the Stevenson's loading screen.
Well, I'm
wait,
putting it on the other side.
You are?
Oh wait, is Matt looking at something more impressive than just the logo?
Yeah,
Oh, okay, that
we,
makes sense.
we get it. We get it now. Yeah. So he saw me. No,
I was pretty happy with just the logo.
Oh, I was a bit confused. Oh, look, it's Edward Puffton.
Oh, they know your name.
It's 17.6, motherfuckers. Is this the same one?
It looks like an abbey. Because it's got that mountain.
Crashing.
Oh. I didn't realise I could look down and see Edward Puffton myself.
Oh, you can press D, you switch your camera. Or maybe...
Oh, is that what it says? Oh wait, no, there's a mistake. Oh, we're looking for them.
We're looking for Edward, his wife, Barbara, and their daughter.
How do you know it's a daughter, huh? Might be his son.
Well, I mean, it says daughter on there, but
Says other
you know,
family
we can
members.
go back.
It doesn't.
It does. On the right, where you see the other profiles.
Oh, it does too. Sorry.
I'm just going to turn my laptop off and save some battery.
I'm just going to turn the laptop off.
Oh wait, it's totally worth it.
Yeah.
Wait, are we the same character right now?
It's slightly hidden on our laptop.
Oh, okay.
Oh, hey, look, we crashed.
I think being in 4K is going to be a little too much.
Yeah, this already seems a lot harder to run than last game.
Why is my stream so dark?
The guy sucks at getting out of a helicopter.
Wait, what? No!
I'm so confused.
Oh! Why did he do that?
I don't know!
He was
Sucks
fine.
balls. Yeah.
That ragdoll, though. Oh!
The door, right?
Oh, yeah.
Why did we do that? I'm questioning everyone.
I'm confused. I like the way it starts.
Oh shit!
Whoa!
It's a shiny, man.
Yeah, he's got some good fashion.
The mutants that arrived, and they now have clothes.
I don't think we're fighting mutants.
Not in Kansas anymore.
Oh, good thing my emergency kit was inside that rock. Hi guys!
Oh my god.
Hey, I'm
You guys
just,
were right here the whole time and you didn't even help me fight off that guy.
I'm still loading.
Oh, okay. There's a reindeer right there! That's the fourth player.
Oh, this guy's freaking out over here.
Hang on, I'm freaking out, changing my settings.
Honestly, he's freaking out. Dude.
What do you mean? Am I missing something?
He's freaking out. Come over here.
Explain. No, hang on. I'm changing my
This is
sensitivity.
way too high, yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah.
My sensitivity is so far.
Yeah, why is my sensitivity?
Is that the pilot?
He's on some good drugs, he is.
You guys not gonna help? Why are you just watching?
Because it's funny.
Doing my settings.
Okay,
I'm
yeah,
doing
hang on. Yeah, I might do a setting. No one touch anyone. Anything.
Anyone? Don't touch anyone.
Yeah, don't touch that guy. Everyone, let's all get our settings right first.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, it looks alright.
Oh, there's a massive...
Stop beating him up, Nene.
I'm sure
He got hit
jump
by a
over
door
him.
and I was getting hit by a horse.
Oh my god.
Can you actually stand on his...
Guys!
Oh. What the
Holy
fuck?
shit!
Why?
Oh no, guys.
You killed 2 of us.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, respawning it is.
I got revived.
I want to experience the death.
No, you killed the tutorial guy. What have you done?
Well,
Imagine if the whole game was broken now.
Oh shit, I got sent somewhere else.
Oh, now you've put Nene somewhere else too.
I'm
Well,
trying to
it's-
move, but...
now it's a real mission.
Oh, I'm tied up.
What if that
It's in
guy was
camp.
important?
Wait, why? How did you get tied up? You died right next to us.
Yeah, I respawned in
He
some
died.
camp.
You killed him. He's someone
I know
else
he-
now.
Yeah, I know he died, but like,
Didn't you know that 50% of people born into the world are handcuffed?
what?
Alright, I'm running to you guys. I don't know how far I am.
Can you see the letter G?
I can see the letter T and the letter N.
No, the letter J. Oh, is that you, Nene? Are you the G?
I'm the G!
Can you see the G, Matt?
Oh, actually,
Oh,
I
you
didn't-
are the G.
I didn't spawn too far, to be fair.
That's right. I'm a G. Oh, hello.
No, you're not a G.
I
Nene
know.
is a G.
Wait, what? Are you, you're both the same person.
G.
Well, yeah.
You guys. That's looking real. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh,
I got him.
alright.
Nice.
So we didn't need the tutorial revive because we can just practice it on each other. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's pretty much what I expected to do.
I'm just
Right.
worried he was like a mission, and now the mission's
Ah.
gone.
Two.
Alright, guys, we're probably wasting enough time. We need shelter and stuff. How do you switch items?
True. Press I.
Oh!
It's
It's like that other game we played. The Forest.
How do you...
Yeah, I remember that one. That's very
Yeah.
good.
Seems oddly similar.
That's familiar.
I'm a little confused on emergency pack. Oh, open that.
We do. We do have a tarp. So who's T?
Smashing.
I'm T. It's the first letter of someone's name. So Nene's a G. I'm T.
I'm the G, mate.
He's
And
a G.
I am the M.
I mean, who cares, mate? No jokes.
Oh shit! You have to walk around the tree to cut it down properly.
Oh, that's good. Wait, did you make an X already?
Yeah.
How?
It's in the inventory. In the emergency kit.
Oh.
What do you mean? All the ingredients?
It's literally just in the emergency kit. It has an X in
Oh.
there. Get down, mate. Get
Oh,
down.
Matt, we should,
Up.
get your emergency kit.
Up. Hey, go up. It's the first vertical to the right of the craft.
Oh, there's the book.
Oh,
Yeah, that's it.
Alright,
And then you
let's...
can...
Should we take a look at the book?
how
Tent.
about that?
A piece of cloth plus a piece of stick.
Cool, okay, that is... Is that
Switch mode.
remove?
We have to go to the green circle, guys.
What?
I've got the GPS.
Oh,
Oh, shit.
hang on. Let me figure out... How do I
How'd
put
you
the
do that?
book out of my hand? How do I put it anywhere else in the world that's not in front of my face?
Oh, let's walk with me.
Oh, jeez, I've got the GPS and the book out now.
Wait, no, how do I move? Oh, you push B.
Oh, yeah, okay, that makes
Okay,
sense.
I'll put the X in my hand. Alright, Matt.
Oh, look, if you press B now, you can get the book back.
Oh!
That's
That's how you put it away, too.
nice. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Maybe that's just the book button.
Alright, Matt. Lead the way.
Let's go, Capitan.
Whoa, 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 whoa! I'm right here. I'm right here.
I know.
Ah!
Oh, sorry. I didn't see you.
Oh, look at these beautiful flowers.
Just pick up branches. Feel like
That's
I need them for
probably-
no reason.
If I've learned anything about the forest, you're gonna need a lot of sticks.
What's the forest?
Oh, he was bullshit.
Oh, guys, look, there's a spider here. I wonder if you can get bit by it. No,
Where?
no.
Oh,
yeah.
jeez.
Probably good. Who was it?
We could become
That is so
Spider-Man.
cool.
Can you walk through this?
Oh, you didn't quite get in though. Oh, you touched me, I reckon. Alright, no.
That's just the day one pitch.
Yeah, they'll probably fix it next time.
I wouldn't eat that.
I'm gonna eat it.
There's blueberries here.
Where is it?
You wonder if it's as simple as we can eat any blueberries. Oh yes, you can still kill birds in midair for no reason.
Oh, it's so much easier to get fish.
God, I can't believe how
Look how many I've got.
my
Congrats
shark
on
life
guys.
is now that I've put them on there. Oh my
See, all
god,
you
what
do-
did you do to the fish?
Yeah, all you do.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna find some more, and I'll show you how you
Okay.
hunt fish.
I'm definitely expert already. Do you not have to poke them with the stick? Because I kind of like that.
There's a
I mean,
turtle here, guys.
Probably could.
Oh, I
but
feel
let me
bad for him
find-
already. Oh, what's that now?
I don't know. I'm trying to find.
I think I found
fish.
our first effigy. Oh my god,
Yeah.
I got a stun bat on. Can you guys get it too? It was in this collection of skulls.
Oh yeah.
Can you guys get it too?
Yeah. I got.
Oh, Matt, come grab this.
Alright, I'm just gonna try and make a
Apply
sword.
my blade. The helicopter.
Oh my god.
Uh,
Your your backpack
Yeah.
has a disco like LED strips everywhere.
that's,
So press go to your inventory.
Yeah.
That little dial just below your radio.
yeah.
That's a light colour, and then the button next to it is like on and off.
Oh! Can you guys see on that little GPS? There's a K on the map.
I know it does.
It seems
Yeah.
like someone else is still alive. Should we check that out before we go to the green thing?
That's a smart choice.
'Cause it looks like the other there was 2 helicopters, so the other one might
Oh,
be
your
over there.
Sunbat has a charge, so I might not use it.
Yeah, I might use
Yeah.
the X for now.
I'm
Oh,
using my
no.
spear that I created.
How do you say that healing plant, Matt? Is it aloe?
Aloe vera.
I found some.
Oh, dude, grab that stuff.
I got it, mate.
Where'd you find the stick?
What do you mean the stick?
Like
All
in your
over.
inventory. No, in your inventory.
Oh, the bottom right.
Oh,
trying to
Jesus
find
Christ,
it.
it's actually out of the room.
I'm just trying to kill a rabbit for us.
Oh, almost got it there.
I got you, mate.
I hit him
What
once.
else do you need for
I think this is where we started, isn't it?
Yeah.
tape? I don't have any tape, do I?
Damn it.
That's,
The K must have been the guy that Matt just blew up with a grenade. We'll just, if anyone asks, we'll just say he died in the crash. Oh no, I ate that. Oh no.
And then just put
Guys,
it
I
out.
think we need to go.
oh,
Just because
shit.
max difficulty and it's not as bright as it was before. Let's get to the
Alright,
green
make
thing.
a spare. Make a spare, make a spare.
What do you need? 2 pieces of branch.
2 branches, a knife, and some tape.
I don't know where my branches are on my
Bottom right.
bottom
Oh, he
right.
crafts it so
Oh.
fast.
He knows what he's doing.
Yo, what up, Jared?
What do I, so I need a knife and a
You got
sellotape.
Yeah, do you have
Yep.
something?
Yeah.
Smash.
Holy shit!
He goes to town on it, really.
They
eh?
put they put in all that time to make an animation just for someone to be like, oh wait, now it takes too long, and then to speed it up by like 100 times.
Good.
Do
I was
you
wondering
think
if
we can get to that green thing in time, or will it be too dark and too dangerous?
Oh, do we know what the green thing even is?
I'm
I'm
assuming
interested.
that's our first objective. It might.
Do you
It's
think
probably a
it's shelter?
clue. We don't know if there's shelter there. It's probably just the first clue.
Whoa.
So we
I'm
can
gonna
either
s-
risk going there, or we could wait it out one night in this cave first.
I think we wait it out and then we go. I think
we
it's
play
further
safe.
than we I think it's further than we think.
Yeah, this cave's pretty cool.
How do I put away my GPS?
Yeah, I don't
Oh, GPS is M. Oh, that's cool.
No, what did you just do?
I don't know. Food, I guess.
I think that was someone's skin.
Pretty tasty.
Oh, I mean, yeah, no, I thought it was just... Still want to be the best thing.
Oh shit, look at this. I got like a little... What the hell is that? It's one of those little lights that's electric.
Wait, we have a digital light. It's so cool.
Yeah, I guess.
Wow, that's cool. I don't have one of those. Oh, but I've got ammo.
Push out. Matt?
Oh,
There you go, mate.
oh wow.
You've done it. Damn, this game looks great.
Yeah,
Are we going?
Matt, I think we're going to try and survive. So careful in that.
Okay, you guys stay back.
It looks so scary watching you go down there.
I got the light source.
Oh wow.
It's like back row. That's really hard. That is really useful. That's a lot better than our digital bank light.
Let's go.
Oh, there's a bit of rope there. Yeah, I thought I heard something down there. Right?
There's some
There is a
left.
there is a person over there.
And I'll see you guys at the extraction.
I'm going on bridge. Me, you and Lovey.
Oh god. The sound.
Oh, dang it. Oh no.
They ain't done that.
I had to set it up. They're gonna see you. I forgot to turn them on.
Nice one, man.
You know what time
It won't be the first time.
Oh, does it? Wait, the phone says it's 3 o'clock.
In the morning.
No, no. Is it
Well,
true?
it might be winter, so it might get dark around 3:30.
Oh, I just have a quick look, because it'd be good to know if that was actually almost night or not.
Oh, it's quite the, I don't know.
Oh,
Sunny? Is that the right word?
so
Yeah,
we still
maybe it
got a
was a
bit of time.
cloud.
Yeah, it must have been a cloud, eh?
Let's do it. Let's go.
Should we try to get to the green circle?
Yep. Everyone press M.
We know if we come back to K, because luckily K's not going to move, so we can use them as a marker for that cave if we need to get back to it. If we can't find
That's good
shelter out
point.
there.
That's a really good point.
The deer still spawn in front of your base.
It's great. They still run like
That's a good feature.
amazing, majestic, shaky shake beans.
They're a bit faster than me though. I hit one. Come back here, you sneaky
Yeah, you
butter.
can get a hit on them, and then it's just the stamina runs out before you can get them again. Behind you, Matt! On your left! On your left!
Oh shit, he went straight
Damn.
past me.
They know what they're doing. There's tents up ahead.
Oh, that's nice.
You guys with me?
We're not far behind.
I'll wait here.
Myself some twin berries. Right, so people have been here before. We're not, like, we know that there's a shiny guy,
So we know there's a shiny guy who didn't look like a cannibal.
and he had a gun.
He had it, yeah, true, he had a gun. So he knows how to use tech. This is one of those
so-
levering... Is this one of those leveling things to check the
Oh,
distance
really?
of level to another one?
So
It's
if
not
we
level
go,
anymore.
wait, if we go in that, oh mate. Well, anyway, it was that way. So if we go in that direction,
It's kind of where the objective is, I guess.
Yeah, let's go.
I like these little rivers, so it's kind of cool.
Wow,
Yeah,
it's
it's
almost
nice,
4:30. So I mean, it's gonna be dark soon, right?
Good progress though. We might be able to check out whatever this is and then make a decision. Looks like this is the thing.
Ooh, I found some wheels.
Okay, so whatever this is, it's been here for ages.
Found a wheel.
Someone's just straight up had a golf cart for a long time.
Holy crap! It is a golf cart. Look at that.
Either that or it's like a gator, it's one of those.
Is this
It's
just
a
an
roofed quad bike.
overgrown golf course? Yeah, over here. There's a cave.
Oh, interesting.
I'm believing that this cave is where we need to be.
I tried to go in.
Right. Oh, okay.
Sorry, I might have been in the way.
I blame Colin.
Yep.
Before we go too far, let's figure out how to heal.
Oh, you can eat. You press I. You can just eat one of your pills.
Meds, I am. Oh, can eat one of those.
Take a check. Oh wait, I'm not in the
That flame is high res.
Let's go. So can you hold the stick and the spin?
I don't think so.
Ah, damn.
Oh, can you 3D print?
Oh my gosh, guys, get in here. This is crazy. It's already started.
Oh! What? Wasn't
Oh
expecting
shit, this is our home.
I'm worried though. I'll go first, but I'm worried.
This can't be good.
No.
Oh, Matt's not even littered his thing on my screen.
What?
That looks pretty lit to me, man. Oh, no,
I'm lacking the visualization of his.
Someone's been on the.
Actually, your one's not lit for me, no.
Yeah, it's from using.
Oh, okay. Oh, look, supplies.
Oh, yummy.
Oh,
This.
do you have any resin, Nina?
I do have resin.
Looks like there's 3D printer right in front of your face. Oh, I mean, Matt's face.
I'm 3D printing. I'm printing something.
That's the world's fastest 3D printer.
Wait, I'm printing arrows.
What?
Alright, print me
Whoa. Wait,
Oh,
can you?
right.
Can you print me an AK-47?
You can print other stuff.
Gun?
No, but you can print a flask. I'm printing a flask.
Well, you can scrub these arrows around the corner. You know, that's it.
Wait, what?
Wait, what? I'll tell you. Oh, guys, we can save on this bit. I'm gonna say that it's my turn, not the 3D printer.
Oh, dude, I didn't even hit you yet.
I thought I was gonna like hold it up.
But I didn't.
I got it. Alright, there you go. I got my sleep.
What?
It's huge.
I came out of that little printer.
How did that even come out?
Everyone put your resin in. I need this.
I don't have any reason.
No, it's so much half though. What is that? Oh.
I'm gonna
It's
play
a
the
pretty good.
rest of the game like this. It's kinda
You have to hold it on though, it's gonna be the worst. I wonder if that falls certainly underneath.
Oh,
I think it would.
Watch out! Watch your feet, Nene! Watch out! Watch out!
Oh my god.
Oh shit. Oh no, I'm sorry, Mr. Wimber.
Mate, you're gonna get killed, watch out!
It's upside down now.
How'd you make the bow?
Must be
Just
a client
trying to
side.
Okay, fixed it.
So
He's still good. Oh,
Hopefully when Family of the Forest comes out, they'll fix that, so it's not going
hold on.
This makes horrible sounds when you push it. Can you guys hear
Is
that?
that the walkie-talkie?
Nice little thing on the floor.
Oh, what?
Push that thing around, the little yellow box. It sounds horrible.
Oh, dude, that's.
Oh, my God. It's got such janky sound.
It's like, oh, that's right, that makes sense.
Easy MVP here. Easy
We're gonna need it.
MVP.
We need a key card.
Can you guys hear that?
Yeah, there's like a cop behind there or something.
A cop.
Oh,
Yeah, it's
maybe,
like red
And,
red
and
wood.
not a crazy creature. Oh, I see what you mean.
maybe this is as far as it's going.
Maybe this is
Maybe
as far
it's
as
just
early
a-
access goes. Not true.
I've got no GPS down here.
Oh my god, the printer's gonna beep forever until we give it more resin. Shall we sleep at that bed down here? And then...
That's what I've been saying.
Oh, sorry.
Can we cook something first?
I'm sorry, I need to stick that.
That's right. Do whatever you need to do, man.
How are we gonna sleep with that printer?
Oh, I found that so funny.
Alright, I'm gonna save. I'm gonna save now. Okay, now I've got to figure out how to make a fire. For real. Oh, here we go. If you get a basic... If you open up a stick... Wait,
I think you snapped the stick in half.
that's what I mean by open.
Time.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, it's raining.
Why is it raining inside?
Because there's a fire.
Oh, right. The sprinkler.
That's so cool.
Okay, well, I'm gonna put a fish on. Oh no, I just ate a live fish. Oh, dude. Oh, this is terrible.
I threw them on. I'll throw a couple on. I got a couple for us.
I just ate some raw meat. How do you pick?
Alright, you guys make sure you get your food.
It doesn't let me.
Let him cook.
It's a raw fish. I thought it was cooked.
Yeah, me too. I don't know how to eat. I don't know how to cook it.
Maybe it's not.
This is way too chaotic for a save room.
The printer's going off.
Yeah, the printer, the single.
Fire inside.
Yeah, we're gonna get poisoned by the smoke.
Wow, this guy is so ruthless when he eats. He just like rips his head off.
Not really working for me.
I might put a roll. The way you just flop with the fish off your board onto the fire is amazing. Yeah. That is hilarious.
I love how the head is just like flopping around.
He just bite it. He just.
I can't wait to.
Oh shit, I'm on fire. No, do you need a steak?
No.
Oh, why did he?
He eats it in the most fucked up way.
Oh.
Oh, it's not raining out here. Oh, wait, yeah, it is.
Oh, you know what? It's probably morning time.
Might put the fire out.
We slept, right? Let's see if
We're
the
set.
Mark is still outside.
When I was outside last time in the dark, it was. I don't know about you, but it was for me.
I wonder if it's supposed to go away. Or if it's just, you know.
I think it's
clue
just
when we find
here.
another one.
Yeah, I think it's supposed to stay there. I think we should probably try and head over to one of those purple eyes.
Yeah, just go to the one over the water.
The information center.
Yeah, sure. Oh, shit.
Did you get so spooked you spoke in game as well?
Am I speaking in game?
Yeah, you got the
Yeah,
radio
mate.
up. Still a little confused
Hey,
if
there
we're
is
supposed to
something
get rid of that
floating
green
out
thing.
there.
Yeah, no, is that it?
I don't know. Let's go over to it.
I think that's it.
No,
It's
cool.
so amazing.
there's a little floaty thing up there. I'm going to go to it.
Alright. Can't wait for your report back, sir.
Yeah,
There's
we'll be
music
watching.
over here. Guys, holy
Wait,
shit.
what?
There's music.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's because there's a guy. There's a dude from the choppers.
Although
You know what,
living on the
listeners?
beach might seem like a dream, we have struggles like everyone else. These are my friends.
Oh, yeah.
This is my life. And this is Dana Point, California.
Jesus Christ, I'm getting here
Fridays at 9 on KXTV.
What? You telling me we can't take that cooker with us? Come on.
That's
That'd be a
spam.
horrible
I'm going
fire.
to stop.
Oh, guys, circuit boards looking stuff in here. Do you need that, Nene?
I do. Have you killed a turtle yet?
I tried in the little pond back there, but it didn't really
Come
work
over
for
here.
me. Have you killed one?
I killed one of them. Look at its.
Oh
look
god.
at it. I like skinned it or took its shell off.
Oh god.
Oh.
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 Oh damn, it's pregnant. Look at it.
I'll be over here.
Fucked. I'm going to the water. See you later.
I just collected 3 turtle eggs.
Oh. Oh my
How
god!
did you skin it?
Matt.
I just keep attacking it till it dies.
Matt, did you see that?
See what?
There's something huge in the water over there.
That stick.
No, there's like something popped out of the water. There's like a little whale or something. Well, not a whale, but...
Don't say that. I'm in the water.
oh yeah, sorry. No, I saw something over there. Watch out. Oh yeah, right in front of you. And me.
Beautiful. You make sure you get this for you, because I already got one. Skin it, mate.
Me. Oh, but I don't want to see what's under there. You okay? No.
No. Holy shit.
What happened?
What's over there?
Heaps of equipment on this
Oh.
island.
Oh, that sounds great.
But
Do you think we should go there?
the scariest thing is, when I got here,
I'm going there.
the
There's too much
station
of
got louder and louder behind me.
Can get
Can
the
you guys
stuff.
come help me?
Shall we build a boat, Matt?
Maybe we just don't build a boat and leave.
Yeah, okay. We can come get this later.
I just speared him.
We'll come back for him when he's dead.
Jesus Christ.
Nene,
fair.
can you get back to shore?
That'll be no.
I am
Ready.
curious to go out there though.
I don't know, mate.
Honestly,
I don't
it's
know.
a good idea. I'll do it if I was you.
I'll
Well,
watch.
You make
I'll
it sound
watch.
so beautiful out there. So
It is. It's honestly like it's
I'm going in.
amazing.
Ah, god damn it.
Come on, Thomas.
I'm coming.
It's literally circling me.
Wait, why did you say that? After
Yeah,
we
why?
started swimming?
What?
No, it's not circling me.
You bastard. How do you get up?
There's a little lip to the side.
Little what? Oh,
Oh my god, he just did a flip.
The shark jumps out of the water. Holy shit! Get in
quickly,
there!
let's get up while he's trying to get
Get
star
in there!
points.
I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out.
I'm climbing.
He's coming back. He's
Help me
He's coming back. Holy shit! Get up! He's right behind you. Holy shit! Get up!
Oh god, man, he actually is! The fin was right behind you.
Holy shit!
Oh my god, he's right there.
Alright,
Look,
my
we're
whistle
just
is
ready.
throwing at him.
Oh look at that, I've got like some sort
Dude, it said Sloppy
Apple
Joe
ear
on the meal. The meal was called a Sloppy Joe.
of... Guys, guess what I've got?
What'd you get, mate?
Hold on, I'm trying to find it.
So, I don't know.
Check it out.
Just got a GPS
Oh
location. for
shit!
this guy,
How'd
but
you
I
get
don't
a
know if
gun?
Hey mate,
that- oh, it's right there on the book. It's on the book.
over there.
Maybe I picked it up.
it's in the black.
That's so stupid.
Was that?
To put the pistol grip on, it's like makes that cool sound, it's like dun dun dun, it just slides it on.
Find him with a gun.
Yeah.
Guys, there's two. Did you just shoot the gun?
Maybe.
Is it a good use of the gun?
Nope. Definitely not. I don't even know.
Yeah,
There's
I think
two
so.
sharks.
Oh,
Mate, it's water.
I killed him.
Oh,
Did you really?
I didn't
Yes.
think bullets would work with water that well.
Yeah,
I thought bullets weren't waterproof.
There is another one though.
I'm going out. Let me out.
Should we try to get back to the landmass?
Yep. I'm going back.
I'm gonna shank this. Oh, you can't. Go.
Swim!
Getting out of there.
Uh-oh.
That looks beautiful though. That mountain.
It's a beautiful Minton.